every month, I am here to give you some updates with respect to what has happened in the H2O AI University department. And so let me share my screen because today I'm very excited to present to you a lot of things. So I am going to share my screen. Do you see my screen? Is that everything is okay?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, so I just want to take a couple of minutes to give you some updates with respect to what happened this past month. And here I am. So I have found a very interesting quote by Jeffrey Gitomer, who is a sales person in United States, a very known one with a lot of books created on this topic, who says that the best way to serve your customers is by teaching them how to get the most out of your products. So when I read this quote, it really made an impact on the way I want the training services to develop here at H2O AI. So you know already that customer education is very important to help our customers to onboard on our tools. And we also know that customers request for this type of curriculum and training so they have an easier way to onboard on the tools that our developers are actually creating. And so this is a work that is being done in collaboration with developer teams, with customer data scientists, with the trainings, with the aim of actually making the customer's life easier and making them be more successful by using our tools. And so our team is pretty a small one, but an impactful one. So we have in our team Dinul, who is joining also in this call. We have the wonderful Michelle, who is, I think you all know her, is working with me closely to develop strategies on developing training on different products. And we also work with a lot of customer data science teams. So all the data science teams across the globe, we are trying to work with them and create even more connections and even more relations to support each other in the way we train and we onboard the customers on our tools. And so by presenting our team, I really want to welcome Dinul to the team because actually he joined this week as a full-time member of our team. So Dinul, if you can present yourself and tell us who you are, what you're doing in the training department, and things that you want to share with us, it would be great.
Yep. Hello, everyone. I'm Dinul Senanayaka. So I'm based here in Sri Lanka, and I was interning for the past year as a data science intern, and now currently transitioned into a technical content specialist, mainly working with Andrea. I just finished my bachelor's degree in data science and business analytics last month, and currently I'm engaged in creating informative and interactive content that bridges any knowledge gaps our potential customers may have with our tools, and so that our tools become more user friendly and accessible to everyone who uses them and who might use them. So I also work very closely with H2O makers to produce tutorials, video guides, and multimedia content to support Andrea's, this department work. And I'm very excited to take on this role, and so that I can combine my passions and skills to contribute to this H2O's mission in democratizing AI. Looking forward to working with all of you and learning from all of you. So happy to be on board. Thank you. Thank you, Andrea.
Thanks a lot. So actually, Dinul has been extremely, extremely useful to our team because I couldn't have rolled out so many courses without his help. And definitely, I'm very excited to welcome you, Dinul, in the team. Your work is very, very appreciated. So definitely, I'm very happy about that. Okay, so let me actually share once again my screen. my screen, just for you to know if you have any sort of questions about our courses, about trainings, updates, or need to collaborate on some of the things. Dinul and I are here to support you, and very, very pleased to do so, because one of the roles that we have here at H2O AI is also to make sure that we update content regularly. So these are the roles and the responsibilities mainly of our team. We are working towards designing content and training programs. And this is very important because I observed from my experience that creating engaging courses and training materials are the key to success in having our customers longer with us and ensuring them that we are here to assist them at every stage of the update of the tools process. We are also designing certification programs in order to validate skills via assessment and certifications. So each one of the courses that is being published in Adobe LMS has actually a certification. We also take care of this multi-channel promotion, and that's one of the things that came later. So we focused on the first couple of months after my arrival on the first two stages, but now we see we have more content that we are creating, and we want to promote them on multiple channels and make sure they are accessible everywhere. So right now we share courses and updates on platforms like Adobe LMS, YouTube, LinkedIn, and the aim for us is currently to also share it on Udemy so that members of the community have access to the certifications without needing to go through Adobe LMS platform. Because the challenge with Adobe LMS platform is that we also need to enroll them with an Okta account. So for that, the support team, I'm very grateful to Mo, to Anna for their help. So we want to keep Adobe LMS for partners and customers, and we want to make sure that our community members who are not customers and partners still have access to our courses. So Udemy is one of the solutions which is going to be deployed pretty soon. And we also take care of this feedback and iteration process to update our courses. This mainly happens at the level of certification. Sometimes the phrasing might not be on the same language of the customers. So we get feedbacks from different customer data scientists from that. Adobe LTV has been extremely useful. Thanks a lot, Adobe, Adobe, oh my goodness, Audrey. Thanks a lot, Audrey, for helping us out with that. And so it indicates that also whenever you're taking a certification, you also might observe some of the things that can be improved. I would highly encourage you to contact me or Dinul or both of us so that we make these updates with your guidance. Because the training content creation pipeline is a pretty extensive one. So the first step usually is the selection of the topic. And so here we align on the product strategy of the promotion of the specific product. Then we develop the script, we record the video and edit it, we publish the video, and then we promote it and its certification. In this pipeline also, the digital marketing team is very helpful because, for example, Daniela creates badges for us for our certifications. Leah updates the H2O AI University website with our courses. So a lot of people are contributing into making this promotion of the courses successful after we have created the course itself. And so for anyone interested in the courses and the pipeline that we are using, we have an Excel spreadsheet called Course Tracker. And here you can see the completed courses, the in pipeline courses, other tasks that we are working on, and H2O AI University website tasks. So go ahead and check it out. These slides are also available to you in the drive that I put on the general channel. So just wanted to share with you the fact that currently we have 17 comprehensive online courses and learning paths that have been published in Adobe LMS. 12 of them are on GenAI. So our focus on the training side right now is to create more GenAI courses. And so I highly encourage you to go in Adobe LMS and take a look at them. Your contribution is very, very appreciated. So these are just a couple of the people who have contributed in creating courses, and I'm very, very grateful to them, not to mention all their names, but I'm happy to have even more people contributing into developing training courses. So in case you have an idea, contact me, please, so that we can actually continue develop a strategy towards creating and publishing that particular course. And so there is a summary that I created with main KPIs for our performance in the last year or so. I'm very happy to announce that the number of certifications, either in Adobe LMS or on-site and virtual trainings, are increasing constantly with an average of 150 units. I would actually want to have even more of these numbers increasing. So I would once again encourage you either to ask your clients to go ahead and take more courses, either to do that yourselves. And so, yeah, I'm very happy with everything that's happening. And our content, I can track the performance of our content very accurately on YouTube because, for example, just in the last 28 days, 4 out of the top 5 videos that we have created are at the top content this period. So they're effectively spotlighting and endorsing our tools for H2O GPT, LLM Studio, and GenAI learning paths. So that's extremely exciting. One of the courses that we created, and this is actually the first one, is H2O Driverless AI Starter course. And you can find it in Adobe LMS as well. So as a user of the sso.h2o.ai, you have an Adobe tile that you can click in order to access your learning space. And over there, all the courses that I'm creating are also shared with you in the same time as with clients. And if you pass them, you can also take the quiz and take a certificate of completion. I just took a look at the numbers and to give you a perspective with respect to this course, which is mandatory, I think the numbers can be a bit improved at the company level because one of the biggest initiatives that we can have around training is to support that by being ourselves the promoter of the courses. So if we know what the courses are about, we can promote them better. So as you can see in this table, for Driverless AI Starter course only, there are only 78 courses completed and 84 in progress, which is almost the half of our entire company. Although this is course mandatory, it seems like not all of us are taking it. I'm able to track all the progress of everyone. So this is an indicator that maybe we can take a bit more time to spend on this course, which has taken so much effort from our side into being what it is. It is very appreciated by our customers. And just to give you a perspective, 111 clients have taken and completed this course, whereas only 78 of H2O AI employees have done so. So we want to set an example of showing to our clients that we are promoters of the education curriculum. So please, once again, if you didn't have had the occasion to take this course and the quiz, do so in the next couple of weeks until I come back with updates next demo day in a month's time. So here is another table that I wanted to share with you of almost all the courses that I have published since a year ago. And as you can see, the numbers can also be improved. Like what I see interest around for our courses internally is H2O GPT intro course, LLM Studio overview, LLMs level 1, But this is a number out of around 400 people in the company. It's a number that can be improved at the course level. So once again, a lot of courses have been shared with you and created for you. Please go ahead and take a look at them, take the certification, publish it on LinkedIn, and promote this training initiative. Because if we don't do it internally, well, sometimes it will be even more difficult for us to do it externally. So we want to just set an example. Another thing that I wanted to share with you is our Slack channels. We have a couple of them, and they are fulfilling different purposes for all the updates and activities and tasks around what we do in the H2O University. Please go ahead and join this link. You also have updates about the website in this Slack channel. You can request content in this Slack channel and get your information and questions answered in Adobe LMS H2O University Slack channel. We also have a lot of documents. So in case, for example, you need either templates, slide decks for the H2O AI University, you need to take a look at the course tracker or all the other KPIs or information that I'm storing. This is the place to go. With Michelle, we are organizing a product training conference page right now where we are going to internalize and centralize even more all this information. Also, go ahead and take a look at the H2O University website. There are courses appearing at a constant pace. So I encourage you to take a look and let me know, for example, if you have ideas, suggestions to improve even more the overall look of our courses. And so that's all from my side. I am open to questions in case there are any. Otherwise, I am very grateful for having you here with me and listening to me. Are there any questions that I can answer? Also I want to let you know that either Dinul or myself are participating to onboarding of new hires meetings. And over there, I am presenting some of the concepts. So I really want to put in place this sort of a learning strategy for every new H2O AI member. There is a lot of content out there. I just want to make sure everyone has visibility with respect to that. And so that's why I'm contacting everyone through various channels to make sure that at least on one of them, you see the things that I want to share with you. So yeah, that's all from my side.